Good morning, student. After the chemical reaction of the haloalkanes, now today we are studying the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this first one, SN2 mechanism. In this SN2 mechanism, SN2 means substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. It is substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. Therefore SN2. Now first one we have studied the general reaction. In this the methyl bromide, it is reacted with the nucleophile OH minus. Now this nucleophile OH minus, it comes from KOH or NOH. They dissociated into Na plus and OH minus. Now the methyl bromide, it is reacted with nucleophile OH minus. It form the product methyl alcohol plus leaving group Br minus. First we are studied here this can be represented in the form of the reaction CH3Br methyl bromide plus nucleophile OH minus. Then here is the formation of the CH3OH methyl alcohol plus here is the leaving group Br minus. This is the easy general reaction. Now in this one the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the two substrate, means on the two reactant, that is molar concentration of methyl bromide and nucleophile OH minus. Therefore it is bimolecular because the rate of the reaction, it depends upon the two substrate, means two reactant. Therefore it is bimolecular substitution reaction. Now rate is equal to constant methyl bromide and OH minus. Now this is the rate of the reaction. Now third one, that is mechanism. Third one is the mechanism. Now in this the OH minus nucleophile, it is reacted with the methyl bromide. We can draw the three-dimensional structure. Methyl bromide this is the nucleophile OH minus and this is the methyl bromide. Then first here is the formation of the transition state. It is the central carbon atom. To this the three hydrogen atoms and here are the two partial covalent bond Br and OH. Now this is the transition state. Now this transition state, it is unstable. Now it can be converted immediately into the product, that is now this is the product methyl alcohol plus leaving group Br minus. Student, this is the mechanism of the SN2 reaction, SN2 mechanism. Now after this there are some silent features about this mechanism. Silent features. of this mechanism. First one, this is the single step mechanism. First one, it is the single step mechanism. Means in this the bond making and bond breaking. Bond making means new bond is formed with OH minus nucleophile, and bond breaking means between the carbon and Br minus the bond is breaks. This bond making and bond breaking both are carried out simultaneously. Both are carried out simultaneously. Bond breaking and bond making both are carried out simultaneously. Now second, that is the backside attack of the nucleophile. Now this nucleophile OH minus, it is added to the central carbon atom from the backside of the Br minus nucleophile. Therefore second feature it is the backside attack of nucleophile OH minus. Now third one, it is about the transition state. Now this transition state, it is unstable. Now it is bonded to the central carbon atom. The carbon atom, it is bonded to partial covalent bond with two negatively charged nucleophile. Now fourth one, that is also about the transition state. Now in this transition state, the three sigma bonds are present with hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen. It contains the three sigma bonds. Now they are present in 120 degree. And they are also present in a one plane. Now it also contains the two partial covalent bond with two nucleophiles. Now these partial covalent bond, they are perpendicular to the plane. Now last one feature, that is the backside attack of the nucleophile. Here the nucleophile, it is attacked to the backside attack of the nucleophile. Now it is opposite configuration. It is called as inversion of configuration. It is also called as Walden inversion. Now I can also repeat here the SN2 mechanism. SN2 means substitution nucleophilic bimolecular general reaction, methyl bromide plus nucleophile OH minus. Here is the formation of methyl alcohol plus Br minus. Then rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the two reactant, methyl bromide and OH minus nucleophile. Then rate is equal to constant K, concentration of methyl bromide and concentration of OH minus nucleophile. Now it is the mechanism, nucleophile OH minus plus the reactant methyl bromide. In this the nucleophile, is backside attack to the central carbon atom, and it is the living group Br minus. First, here is the formation of the unstable transition state. In this, it is the unstable transition state. Now, then the bond break between the carbon and bromine nucleophile. Here is the formation of the product methyl alcohol plus living group Br minus. Then next one, the silent feature of this SN2 mechanism. First one, it is the single step mechanism. Means in this the bond breaking and bond making both are simultaneously carried out. Second one, backside attack of the nucleophile. The OH minus is backside attack to the central carbon atom. Then third one, about the transition state. This transition state contains this dotted line means partial covalent bond. It contains the two partial covalent bond with two nucleophile. They carry the negative charge. Now fourth one is about the also transition state. Now this transition state, it contains the three sigma bonds. Now sigma bonds means there is the axial overlapping between the sharing. Then it is the three sigma bond between the carbon and hydrogen. They are present in 120 degree and in a one plane. And the two partial covalent bond between the two nucleophile. Now this partial covalent bond, they are perpendicular to the plane. Now last one, backside attack of the nucleophile. Therefore here this is opposite of configuration. It is also called as inversion of configuration. Now this inversion, it is also called as Walden inversion. You carefully remember that SN2 mechanism. In this one, the inversion of configuration takes place. It is also called as Walden inversion. This is the complete mechanism of the SN2 mechanism. So student, you remember that in new syllabus of the 12th, there is the energy profile diagram is not given. Therefore, you can study up to this one. Then thank you.